there's a statute that delineates the criteria before an association can tow a vehicle. First of all, it's got to be within the common areas. Second of all, it has to be parked in violation of either the declaration or the rules. And so once there's deemed to be a violation, then the statute kind of kicks in, and then there are certain statutory requirements. One is which is kind of silly, but the statute allows for the association to tow a person's vehicle in an association if the person agrees to the towing, which is probably never going to happen, but that's part of the statutory language. If there isn't an agreement, then there has to be proper notice that's given to the person in regard to the violation. There's another part of the statute that indicates that the association cannot get any type of compensation from the towing company. So in other words, a kickback. An association can't have a vehicle towed and the vehicle or the towing company charges $200 and says, oh, for everyone you give us, we're going to give you $50 back. So that's illegal under the statute. Also, too, there's a requirement as to how far away from the association that the vehicle can be towed. Those are just some of the restrictions that are placed in regard to towing the vehicle. There's also, too, one I just recalled, another one is that if a person comes out, which is kind of funny because you see it in TV shows and the movies, and the towing company is in the process of towing the vehicle, and people run out and say, stop, stop, and the towing company says, not my problem, takes off with the vehicle. They actually address that under the statute, and they say that if it's in the process of being towed and the owner comes out, then the towing company is not allowed to tow it, but the towing company is allowed to recover 1/2 of what their fee would be if it were in fact towed. So yeah, those are the main requirements. There's a couple of other ones as well that the association has to follow, or the towing would be illegal.